Hey yo, what up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. I go by the name J Pablo, and today we're gonna be asking people about their cool experiences. So let's just get into it, guys. Let's go.
Akumadoda. Yayiva.
Yo.
I was wild as fuck. They were like I was
Wild,
like beninga, like how can I put it? Beninga nguye lo muntu like I am and sober.
Mshita.
Kala umjida nizawugela.
Umethela nomshita.
Hayi le keke yenzayo.
Buphi wena?
Hayi khona maka kwazi ngijonge le.
Yoni experience i-groove.
Experience e-groove mna. Into yoba kumadoda. Yayiva. Like si find out but siyahlala but anaze mna phofu ingam yebo yayiva. Anaze like ihlale find out ile like
But
yeah.
let's say uyamthanda lo mshita but you found out uba uyakutyeliza uthina.
Akamhlaba ngebhozo ntami niphuma ipapa
Yo, njani?
sekunyiwe.
So yintoni decision owayithatha ngoku wawuse-groove umnxilile blind? Yintoni decision owayithatha?
I-bad decision endayithathayo yoba ndangiqeqesha amagongo kanzi andinovuma uqeqeshwa like lizidalele igongo like kaHans akukoka langjani pha yabo yayiva meda like ya ela gongo ndalibetha ngephanga le corona like so like phuma igazi la way back se no but yakwa because moko
Angobanjwa.
ngenxa yeminyaka otherwise ngenzalele eDanyani but ingoma zapha ndazicava maybuda.
Okay, next question.
Yeah.
So yintoni yakwenza wazisola ngokuya kwi-second location?
Yo simi
Yeah.
I-second
ndegoduka ndedwa ndiye nabahlali sesiba yi7 but kwagoduka umuntu oyi1 but it's fine asikolapho
Yeah.
ndagoduka ndalala
Okodwa wedwa.
ndedwa butwana
yintoni imizwa ongazinika yona
Like let's say
xa usefestireni
like esipilini.
like uzijongile esipilini
Let's say
unxilile yintoni imizwa ongazinika yona uba noma
encourage like
relax.
okay, relax.
bayise like imizwa like wanqonde kuseduze iyatsheba uyapaka yayiva like the manages gcwala yo
senza umzekelo ke bo use-groove and wena uyadicide uba uzaya kwindlu ka-boyfriend yakho phaa ngo-2 ekuseni and uyafika phaa ngo-3 bo ithaveni uvala ngo-2 fika
Yeah.
ngo-3 phaa and yena ulele nomntu uyahlala okanye uyahamba.
yo ndiyaqala ndiyamamela yebo ndiyamamela phofu ndizoxini yena ndiyamamela ba ingathi something ndiyangena ndiyahlala ndisonke izandla so
Awungeke ulwe. Why? Umuntu wakho msiyamthanda lami.
ewe ndiyamthanda ne but ndifuna ukubamba uzothini ndiyamazi akazothini ne but ndifuna ubona uba uzothini ndizofika ndihlala le like so yabo ndibukele but sekapeni
Uzawuve sikubukele qha.
hayi kaloku
Uzolwa.
hayi ndidula nama
Okay, let's say uzobetha intombazana ngazobetha umshita.
ndibetha intombazana lazy le
Okay.
bayazi
Okay, akayazi bojula ngawo intombazana but wena uzibetha yona. Why wangabetha umshita eyazi bojula nawo kodwa intombazana?
bethi omate i-omate le yazi
Let's say likhaladi ehlala somewhere emakhaladini akayazi bojula nawo. Njengabetha umshita.
but intombazana iyabona uba umjida akanazi abe single uyambona ba
Hayi.
you
much yakhona basingile groove
uyambona uba hayi no liyajola inikejola noduls
but awukho fair onobetha umshida awulichile
ke masithi ke umntu akhe yaxelelanga uba uyegroove then umfumane esegroove then wena uyamconfronta okanye uyamyeka abe nguye
andimconfront ndithatha iphanga mbetha njani entloko uba
kube ngaxelelanga uba usegroove
kuba yafuna wayisurprise
ufuna uyazi
ndifune ndiyazi then ndibepopoba kuse ya
uzazi ii-movements zakhe uba zithini
yandibamba mebhuda
ndikubambi dango
dango.
So the question is, what is the worst decision that you have made regarding groove?
Yo, smoking weed, like, while I'm drunk, as fuck. Like, I obviously went to my guy, and I was wild as fuck. They were like, I was,
Wild in general.
like, beninga, like, how can I put it? Beninga nguye lo mntu, like, I am sober. I was another person,
But
you know.
they
Like,
say- they
nah,
say-
yeah, the following morning he was
listen.
like, yo.
But they say umntu onxileyo. That's the truth. Exactly. So you are the real you when you're drunk.
Maybe, I don't know. I don't.
What do you mean you don't know?
Sometimes I don't think so.
Menos yem khawusinike i-difference phakathi kwakho xa unxilile naxa usuka.
Okay, Andy sober. I'm like a cool person, like ngizipholele. I smoke weed and right, you know.
Sure.
But then when I'm drunk,
You don't do wild stuff.
I don't want to talk as in the like, especially like you're gonna post it, like
Awufunekanga go into details.
okay, like you guys know what I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get too, you know.
Let's get to the second question.
So what made you regret going to the second location after
To the
groove?
second location. Oh, when I was forced to have sex with someone I didn't want to have sex with.
But you did have sex.
No, I didn't. Like, I literally cried so that he could let me go.
Damn.
I cried so that he could let me
To
go.
open case.
No, I didn't because like
Why?
I decided to go there with them, you know, with my friends and all.
And then
So
you
like
cried.
we got drunk, and when we got drunk, we like, you know, that 2x2, and I was like just sitting there, and then he came and Kasivane.
Okay.
Next
So now to the question. What words have you given yourself of encouragement while you're at groove?
Well,
Looking at the mirror. While you drunk
Never
as
start a
fuck.
fight.
Never start a fight.
Like literally, like when I like send him this born, okay, in the mirror, like, okay, I look good. Don't fight, baby girl. You are grown, like Dala, so like don't fight. It's too beautiful for this stuff. No. Yeah.
Let's say for example you're at groove and
Oh,
you decide to go
guys.
to your boyfriend's house at 2 a.m.
Uh-huh.
and then you arrive by 3 only to find out that she's sleeping with another girl. Are you staying or are you going home?
I'm staying.
Bear in mind you live in far.
I'm staying. I live far. I'm staying. Like literally, like this, like Kandisuke groove. Like I'm going to my man. Obviously, I'm gonna stay, even though he's sitting with a girl. I'm gonna tell him like, choose.
So
So you will stay under the bed.
No, not like under the bed. Like,
So
okay, listen.
what if he makes you an
By 3?
option and then you
like
stay
he
under
makes
the
me
bed?
an option?
And you stay under the bed.
No,
Would you stay?
the people I date don't make me options. So like,
So
As
you've
a
never
large.
No,
never been
like-
an option.
no,
Never in your life.
no.
How old are you?
I'm 18.
You've never been
I
an
wanna
option.
be like you. When I'm old, I wanna be like you.
I've never
girl.
been an option. Like I know that. I know when someone is like deeply in love with me. Like, I
Jonga,
see.
when I grow up, I want to be
like you.
You wanna be like me?
Ufuna nawe.
Next question.
Thank you guys.
Let's
Like,
say
it's
your
good to know
partner
that I-
didn't tell you that they're going out.
My partner?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're going out, yabo. And then
Yeah.
you find them at groove. What do you do to confront the situation, or do you let them be? Or
Like I'm a person of peace, so I'll just let him be. Like even though like I can't need like for my man to tell me no about uyapi, like wherever he's going. Like sometimes like there's no need for me to know that. You know. So like I respect my man's privacy. If like Yena, if he wanted to tell me, he would have.
Yeah.
You know. So like if he didn't tell me, it's none of my business. I don't mind if I see him at group. Like, hi baby, how are you doing? Okay, fine. Yeah.
So what if he walks out with another man and
I wake up with another man.
he
walks out.
He walks out with
another girl. And then what happens to you?
Oh man,
after 9, why?
Sometimes like some of you guys would think like maybe I would say like Zoyan's revenge or something, but like no, like Zamiaka and let him be. If like like if someone loves you, like
tell me worst experience that wakawayifumana like a crew.
Yoy, nalisiya kufumana iklatsho.
Kwenzeka ntoni?
Ndiyilura lo. Kunyanzelekile ndalwa.
Umfana wenza nowahamba nomnye ukhona.
Ndahamba nomnye. Oyena?
Wena okanye wena wahamba nomnye.
Mna ndahamba nomnye namshiya.
So waqala ingxaki. Okay. Seyiphi decision okawayenza regarding groove, like uye groove but xa ufike groove like usole ba le ndiyenzele ntoni le nto.
Alodibana nee-enemies ezininzi yabo ndengondisole kutsho kuye groove.
Okay, yiphi decision yintoni yakwenza uba like usole uba why uyile kwi-second location?
Ngakubakho izitori yabo and ke ngoku abantu phayana so uzane ukufumana ulale nomntu.
So wena wazange ukhetha uba ulala nomntu but wawufuna uba ubanjwe. Okay. Yephi like let's for example like ufika etoilet yabo usesipilini, yintoni wayithetha kuwo ngokujongileyo like esipilini bakhe bani yenza so
hayi xa bayoatsho andikhe mna noma umntu athini I don't care bayoatsho.
Okay, asithi ke uye ki-boyfriend yakho yabo maybe ngo-2 ekuseni after groove yabo, then xa ufika pha uleli nomnye umntu uyalala okanye uyagoduka okanye uyalwa.
Utsho mbethanye kuqala unimike zakhe.
Ubethe umphi intombazana okanye umjida?
Qala umjida ndizawugela.
Ubethela nomjida?
Hayi le kakayenzayo.
Buphi wena?
Hayi khona uba akakwazi ndijonge le yakhe.
Okay. Akusema sithi like umjida wakho akakuxelanga uba uya egroove yabo, then xa ufika egroove nayo phaa uzothini wena? Yomzala. Umbuzo uba kwenzeka ntoni?
Bobo kutheni xa uze egroovini? Ikho bendichulile bezoqhubeka.
Oh, ndako uyityelwa wena actually. Awusithembi?
Ndithembile kaloku tsho phela ayiboni ndode ndityelwe ayiboni.
Akho umntu ongazutyelwa bra, ndiyakuxelela akekho umntu ongatyelwayo. Uba ungothini ungazutyelwa?
Nganye kaloku
ngamhlaba ngepanga.
yonke into endibona phaa.
Hayi parapara.
Ayo, engosini ngobukela, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Siyabonga.